And so basically, what are you guys doing here in Damascus this weekend, and where are you guys headed to?
Yeah.
Why are you hiking the trail?
Hello, my trail name is Puddle Jumper.
Hello, Vortex back.
Hi, my name is House Arrest.
My name is Dirt Nap.
Hi, I'm Gummy Bear.
Hi, my name is Scrooge.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 29 on the Appalachian Trail, and we are walking into Damascus. Yeah. Woo! Got about 18 miles. It's a decently short day for us, and we're excited to go to trail days. We made it a day early, which is awesome, and 29 days to get to Damascus. But yeah, we're excited. Let's do this. Woo!
We buns. We buns. What are you bombing, Jordan?
I'll give you one guess.
Fuel bomb?
Fuel bomb.
Tennessee, Virginia state line. Yay. We are crossing into Virginia. I'm saying goodbye to Tennessee. Bye-bye, Tennessee.
Bye-bye. Virginia. Done with Tennessee.
Walking into Damascus on day 29. By the way, this is Vortex's first video appearance. Oh, welcome back.
Yeah, why is this the first introduction to this video?
I know you haven't even said hi yet.
Are you ready? Okay, whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna stop on that. I don't think I can.
My name is Dirt Nap, and I'm hiking the trail. I've thought about this so much all the time. Basically, I think the real reason is that as soon as I learned about it, I just had to do it, and it never felt like a choice. Like it's like a curse and a blessing at the same time, where it's just something I have to do. Also, I really think the challenge is just really amazing and exciting, and it's also super beautiful and fun every day. So.
Hi, my name is House Arrest, and the thing I like most about the Appalachian Trail is the people.
Hello, Vortex back. I finally found Zippy, and then Dr. D actually has a new trail name that I just learned. It was Toe Tag. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
And I'm back hiking again because obviously I love being outside and meeting people, being with the community, being with a different trail. And I've attempted the PCT twice, but this is a chance to do a whole different trail. It is definitely harder physically, but it's really nice to do the AT for the 100th year anniversary. But this parade is going to be amazing. Cannot wait to walk in it, and we'll see what happens.
Hi, I'm Gummy Bear, and I'm hiking the trail this year in 2025, partly as an adventure and partly as a challenge to myself to see if I could actually do this whole thing.
Hi, my name is Scrooge, and I'm hiking the AT for a couple of reasons. One, dawned on me a couple of years ago I wasn't getting any younger, and a couple of years ago I read the biography of Grandma Gatewood and thought it would be cool to hike this particular hike being the same age that she was when she hiked it the first time. And so that was a real inspiration to me, and she must have been a hell of a woman, because I know how hard it is, and I don't know if I could sleep on the ground with leaves piled over me just to keep warm and show up on strangers' houses and expect to be taken in and things like that. But yeah, great lady. I also like you know, just long hiking. I just as soon be out here than be at home in my comfy chair watching, you know, YouTube videos and things like that. But you know, so despite the rain and the thunder and lightning and getting sick every now and then and injured, you heal up and you move on. Just endeavor to persevere.
My trail name is Tank. I just love hiking the trail, being outdoors, being with other hikers and all that. I like the fellowship of them being together and having a goal and conquering it, and just the group we go with, we try to solve all the world problems and all the problems back home, so it's fun.
Hello, my trail name is Puddle Jumper. I'm from Naples, Florida. When I was in college, probably 2021, I was in the Smokies, and a friend and I were at Klingman's Dome. We walked down to the trail and we both said, yeah, we'd like to do this someday. Well, here I am, 70, and now I'm finally doing it. So it's kind of a lifelong desire I had. And my wife came with me this year. We weren't intending to do a through hike, but we did Georgia into North Carolina. So,
Amazing.
and I'll be back.
You'll be back.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's been a great experience and so many good people out here. Yeah. That's really what it's all about to me. So.
My name is Grinder, and I never hike alone. I go with Trail Doc, that's what I call it. And it's all about the fellowship. And I really like the AT Trail. I really love the shelters. Oh, God bless the people who keep maintaining the shelters. And I'm really surprised how well the trails are kept up too. You know, with the roots and everything being taken care of. You have nice rocks to keep the erosion from occurring. And anyway, I gotta sew it up. How do I sew it up?
Hey.
Yeah. Hoorah for the AT.
Yeah.
Vortex is back!
Fireball!
Hi, it is Vortex. I am back.
We find Vortex.
Yes, so it only took them 471 miles to catch up with me.
She's so fast. She's so fast.
Honestly, I'm so excited to Vortex them in the trail days. And this is the first time I've actually got to do a shot on trail. That's a fireball, and of course it was a zippy. So it's gonna be an amazing weekend. I got my tie-dye.
Yeah, we're excited. Trail days. 2025.
But yes, zippy's the best.
Okay. Water.
Yeah, come on.
And so basically, what are you guys doing here in Damascus this weekend, and where are you guys headed to?
Hiking the AT. We started Springer Mountain 30 days ago, and we're trying to make a big shot on our second free hike.
Yeah, we met each other on the PCT, and then since then I've asked Ash to be my wife. And now we are doing our little through hike before the wedding. We're hiking to Maine in time to fly back to San Diego to get married.
Hiking to our wedding, so this is our pre-honeymoon.
Yeah.
Did you ask her on the trail?
I took her back to the PCT town, and asked her in Wrightwood, California.
Awesome. Is this y'all's first time coming through Damascus on a hike?
It is. loving it so far.
Yeah, what a great little town. Yeah, we're enjoying it.
We're having the best time. We love Damascus.
Anything else you guys want to add or say or anything?
Well, thank you for having us, town of Damascus.
Appreciate Damascus and all the trail maintainers and all the hostels along the way, all the amazing little towns that we've gone through. They've been all affected.
Smile.
Hey.
There's a video.
Oh.